Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome back to math class. Today we are learning about exponent rules. Imagine one E. coli bacterium. It divides into 2 every 20 minutes. If it starts at 8 o'clock in the morning, how many bacteria do you think there will be after just 3 hours? Take a guess. I'll bet it's way more than you expect. By the end of this video, you'll be able to solve this in seconds. Let's find out how. Before we dive into exponent, let's watch how bacteria can multiply.
Bacteria reproduce very simply and rapidly by doubling their contents and splitting in two. Just one bacterium, dividing every 20 minutes, could produce nearly 5,000 billion bacteria in one day.
By the end of this video, you will be able to use exponent rules to simplify expression and solve contextual problems involving exponent. This is how to read the exponent notation. X to the power of 2. X a base and 2 is exponent or power. Product rule. When multiplying with the same base, add the exponent. For example, x to the power of 2 multiplied by x to the power of 3 equals x to the power of 2 plus 3. So the answer is x to the power of 5. Why does it work? X to the power of 2 is x multiplied by itself, and x to the power of 3 equals x multiplied by itself 3 times. So we have 5x multiplied by itself. So the answer is x to the power of 5. Power of a power. When applying an exponent inside parentheses, multiply exponent. For example, x to the power of 2 to the power of 3 equals x to the power of 6. X to the power of 2 to the power of 3 equals x to the power of 2 multiplied by itself 3 times. So we have x to the power of 6. Power of a product. When applying an exponent to a product, apply to each base. For example, 2x to the power of 3. We have two bases. First base is 2 and the second base is x. So we must apply an exponent to each base. So we have 2 to the power of 3 multiplied by x to the power of 3. 2 to the power of 3 is 2 multiplied by 2 3 times, so we have 8. So the answer is 8x to the power of 3. Why does it work? 2x to the power of 3 equals 2x multiplied by itself 3 times. So the answer is 8x to the power of 3. Quotient rules. When dividing with the same base, subtract exponent. For example, x to the power of 5 divided by x to the power of 3. This is have same base. The base is x. So we just subtract exponent. So the answer is x to the power of 2. Why does it work? X to the power of 5 equal x multiplied by itself 5 times. X to the power of 3 is equals x multiplied by itself 3 times. So x three x in up can divide 3 times down equals 1, so we have 2x. So the answer is x to the power of 2. Here's our main problem. 1. E. coli bacterium divides into 2 every 20 minutes. How many bacteria will there be after 3 hours? Now it's your turn to practice. Comment your answer to the practice problems below. I'll reply to correct ones. Let's recap. We learned what a base, exponent, and value are. We discovered 4 laws of exponent, and we will use them to solve real problems. See you in the next lesson, where we will explore some laws of exponent. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.